From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of living out of a cluttered closet? What if I told you there's a game changer that can transform your storage space in an instant, introducing the Pants Hanger Space Saving by Meralv. This premium quality product is a total closet organizer, and trust me, it's about to become your new best friend. With its premium beechwood construction, you'll get a durable and sturdy clothes hanger organizer that's built to last. Whether you're using it for light scarf storage or heavy pants, it won't bend or collapse, giving you a solid feel that's hard to find in other hangers. When you use the Pants Hanger Space Saving, you'll notice the smooth texture of the beechwood and the satisfying click sound it makes when you hang your clothes. It's a small detail, but it's a clear indication of the high-quality craftsmanship that went into making this product. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who value a clutter-free closet. The Pants Hanger Space Saving is perfect for creating a clean and organized closet, with its 4-pack of hangers giving you 4 times the organizational power to transform your closet into a clutter-free haven you can be proud of. For example, you can use it to hang your favorite pair of jeans, and with the extra storage space, you can store your belts, scarves, or even your favorite handbags. The possibilities are endless. What sets this product apart from others is its sturdy build and extra storage, making it perfect for heavy users who need a reliable and efficient closet organizer. So, if you're tired of living out of a cluttered closet, I highly recommend giving the Pants Hanger Space Saving by Meralv a try. It's a simple and effective solution that will make a big difference in your daily life, and who knows, it might just become your favorite closet essential. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.